Hey, hello everyone. My name is Nashwan Kasim, and today I'm going to do a new tutorial. It's about precal and function called operation on function, and I'm gonna choose a problem from the exercise, the book, and we do it all together, and we will check the answer together. So I'm going to choose number 11. Oh, sorry about the focus. Yeah, number 11. So the problem said find the domain of function f in g and function f divided by g. And we got the problem. They put the problems right here. So let's write it down on a sheet and we do it all together. Okay, find domain. Where is it? Find the domain. Find the domain of f multiplied by g and f divided by g. And they gave us a problem f of x equal to 4 negative minus x squared, and the function of gx equal to square root 3x plus 4. Okay, let's do the problem now. Okay, this is the rules, right? The policy said domain of f multiplied by g, so we're gonna use f, we multiply by g. F f multiplied by g equal to square root time 3x plus 4. Okay. So when we see a problem like this, it's already set up. So every time we see a problem like this and multiply, we have to equal it to 0 because it's already set up right there. And let's rewrite it like this: 4 minus x2 equal to 0. And this one, let's write it right here: 3x plus 4 equal to 0. And now because we have the square root, we have to square the whole equation, or multiply by 2. So we're gonna get 4 minus x squared equal to 0. And we see here negative x and positive 4. So if we change, or if we move the 4 to the other side, that means negative 4. But because we have negative in here, we're gonna change the x to positive and the 4 to positive also. So we're going to have x squared equal 4. The same thing when you do like let's do this: negative x squared equal to negative 4, and then you divide everything by negative and you get positive on both sides. Same thing. Yes. And then we have x squared equal positive or negative 2. Let's move to the next side of the equation. We do the same thing. We square it. sorry, I'm using my iPhone camera and one hand holding the phone and the other hand, do the problems. So I apologize for any confusing. Anyway, let's do now. We're gonna end it up with 3x plus 4 equal to 0, and 3x equal to negative 4. We divide it by 3, and we take the 3 out. Let's do this. X equal negative 4 over 3. So the first one we set it up right. So we get with the domain of the FG. If we go to domain, this is a domain going to be X. It's gonna be equal or less than 2. It's gotta be in between, 2 and negative 403. Okay. And now let's move to let's do the we have the other one. It said f divided by g. Okay. To do this, we're gonna use the same exact process, but the only difference is we're gonna end it up at the end. It's going to be like this because it's divide. It's going to, after we take, we do everything the same, we're gonna end it up here in the bottom 4 over 3, and right on the top is going to be either positive or minus here, 2 and here. So here the policy for when you do a division, you cannot end it up with 0. If you end it up with 0, that means it's false. We cannot end it up with 0. So if we using the same number like this, let's do it. Let's do this example. Okay, 3x plus 4, which is this one right here, and that's the result for it. So if we change the x to negative 4 over 3. So let's do this. Let's see. 3 times 4, negative 4 is what? 12. 12 you divide it by 3 is negative 4. Negative 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So this is false. Cannot be like that. It has to be bigger than this. So the domain for this is going to be x cannot equal to that, but it could be any other number bigger than that. So 4 over 3, and this one would be the same too. Add 2 or bigger than 2, smaller than 2, and it's going to be bigger than 4 over 3. Okay, I hope I made it easy for you guys. And the last one, let me just draw it. If you want to set up this way, and good setup. That's it. This is the final result, or this. So I guess let's check on the book what's the answer on the book, and this be the final. Okay, that's the book. It's number 11. Okay, you see this? This could be at this number or bigger than this number. The same thing in here. At this number or smaller than this number. And the same thing on the division side. Cannot be at this number. But it has to be any number bigger than this number, because it cannot be equal to 0. and same thing on the other side. And this is the end of the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like it, please subscribe it. Thank you.